If you've been generating leads using Customers.ai, also known as Mobile Monkey, and want to take your marketing to the next level with personalized drip campaigns, this tutorial is for you. Today, I'll show you how to easily export your leads from Customers.ai and import them into Go AI CRM so you can start nurturing those leads automatically. First, let's talk about Customers.ai, also known as Mobile Monkey. It's a platform that allows you to create chatbots, forms, and conversion funnels to engage visitors on your website and social media channels. These tools help you collect valuable lead information like names, emails, and more, turning your website visitors into potential clients. Whether you're using chatbots to qualify leads or pop-ups to capture email addresses, Customers.ai helps you gather all that info in one place, so you can follow up with these potential customers later. Now, once you've got your conversion URLs and chatbots set up, you'll start seeing leads coming in. To view your leads, log into your Customers.ai account and head over to the My Leads section. Here, you'll see a list of all the leads you've generated, complete with the information you've collected, names, emails, phone numbers, and more. Now, let's export these leads so we can import them into Go AI CRM. Select the leads you want to export by checking the boxes next to their names, or if you want them all, you can click on a selected. Enter the total number of leads and it will select them all. Then, go click Export. Customers.ai allows you to export up to 5,000 contacts at a time. Enter your email address, hit Send, and you'll receive a CSV file in your inbox. Check your inbox, download the file, and open it to review the information. While some leads may be missing small details like names, the email addresses will always be there and you can modify the document before importing it into Go AI CRM. Now, let's move over to Go AI CRM. Navigate to the Leads, and click on its Lead Summary. From here, select the Import Leads option. With your CSV file ready, name the list, we will call it Website Visitors, drag and drop your CSV file into the import area. If you click on it, Go AI CRM will show you a preview of how the data will look once imported, so you can make sure everything is correct before moving forward. Click on Ready to import leads and assign the data to each respective column. Once the leads are imported, you can assign them to specific team members if you're part of a larger team. Next, you'll want to attach these leads to a campaign. This is where Go AI CRM really shines. Go AI CRM allows you to create personalized drip campaigns that follow up with your leads automatically. Whether it's email, SMS, or even automated phone calls, Go AI CRM helps you stay connected with your leads and turn them into loyal customers. You'll be nurturing your leads and closing more deals without all the manual work. So that's how you can easily transfer leads from Customers.ai into Go AI CRM. And if you're ready to start supercharging your lead management, click the link in the description for a free 14-day trial of Go AI CRM. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. Make sure to hit that bell icon so you're notified whenever we post new content. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tips on lead management, automation, and growing your business with AI tools like Go AI CRM.